Meet Lisa. Her mornings are a juggling act. Coffee in one hand, laptop bag in the other, dodging sidewalk puddles and waving at Mr. Jenkins' feisty poodle. She's clever, consistent, and quietly wondering if there's more to life than just bills and bus stops. One Friday, her phone buzzes. A surprise $300 bonus. But then her eyes drift to her overworked laptop and a little sticky note that says, "Make money work." What if I could turn this into more than just stuff, she wonders. One evening, Lisa lounges on her couch in fuzzy socks, popcorn in hand, watching beginner investment videos instead of her usual shows. She opens an app, clicks a few buttons, and buys shares in a dividend-paying company. Her cat watches, unimpressed, filing reports, watering her plants, losing track of time in podcasts, when suddenly, ping, a dividend notification. It's just a few dollars, but it's money she didn't lift a finger for. She gasps, then laughs. Wait, that worked? Soon, birthday money, tax refunds, even coffee savings are going straight into investments. Her little portfolio grows, quietly working behind the scenes. Assets, like Lisa, don't just sit around. They build, stretch, and multiply. She's still working hard, but now her money's working just as hard. Buy once, earn always. Want to level up? Don't just hustle. Invest in something that hustles for you.